Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to get inside there and deep clean everything that is inside the group head. Replace the gaskets of it and then put it back together. Now this machine is an old style Pavoni, so these ones are a bit more tricky to work on. But we were able to successfully replace all the gaskets. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the steamer of the machine. We also do not have the tray, so we're gonna be using this as a tray substitute. And now we can try to do that shot of espresso. Nice shot of espresso coming out of the machine. Excellent flow and good crema for that espresso shot. For this machine, as you can see, nice steady steam, excellent pressure, great temperature, working excellent. So there you have it, La Pavoni Europicola working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing my Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.